Hey Aiden, did you have an Oreo?
Can you turn on the light in the hallway, please? No,
Did you have an Oreo cookie and now you need a bath?
There. Here, come here. Where are the light switches? Come
Alina,
here.
turn on the hall light.
Here. There. Yeah. See?
Is your cookie all gone?
What's this cookie?
Where did the Oreo go? I think there's more on the face than in the tummy. I think there's more cookie on your face than in your tummy. Where did you get those big ones from?
From Migros.
Migros?
No, from Cope.
From
I've always had them like that in the little packages. It's just a little version. Alina, you want to say something to anybody? Hey, what are you doing with your finger in the milk?
There's a cookie in there.
Oh, she does? Oh. Then why didn't you tell me that? Hey, Mom, I have a cookie in there. Let me see you eat an Oreo cookie. Eat it over the cup, okay?
Are you serious about that, mister?
But eat it before it all falls apart.
Aiden, look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Cuckoos. Hi.
Hey, hello, everybody. I am Aiden Andrew, and I'm gonna be just as big as the puppy, and much stronger than puppy.
How's your cookie, Alina? You want to say something to anybody on the video?
I'm not allowed you to
What did you say?
I'm not allowed you to.
You don't like you. What? Who don't you like? You're being silly. Really, really silly.
But with that girl. That's
You never
funny.
say somebody you don't like them.
That big girl from McDonald's.
What big girl from McDonald's?
Was really skinny.
What did she do?
And then kick them and then just hurt her. That I mean. That I not like that man.
Okay, but I don't know what you're talking about. What are you talking about? Aiden, say goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Oh. Should you do the wheels on the bus? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Hey, Aiden.
The wheels on the bus
Tonight, when you take a shower,
round and round.
you should shave.
Yeah, round and round. It doesn't seem like you said that. You say round and round. All through the town. Aiden, the blinkers on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The blinkers on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town. Aiden, say mama. Mama.
That's mommy.
I say bye-bye, everybody.
Mommy, please open it.
Please open that. Say it in German. No, say it in German.
I want to say it's funny like a clown. Okay.
If you say it in German, then I'll open it. Okay, that's nice. Then I do
Now
it.
I do a funny one.
Okay, now do a funny one.
which is the off
Say goodbye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.